Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Mitsubishi Q PLC to a Weintek HMI through a serial RS485 module. In GXWorks 2, I will set up the parameters to the RS485 module. For the protocol settings, we want to set it to MC Protocol Format 5. I already made a simple program in my main program. I will download these settings and program to the PLC. We can now open up Easy Builder and create a new project. Here we choose the correct PLC type. Then we choose RS485 4W, and we need to make sure the COM settings are same as the module. I will add 2 lamps with the correct bits I made in my program. Then we'll add 2 buttons and connect them to the correct bits I made in my program. And last, I will add a numeric plate. I will now download the project to the HMI and then test it out. When I now push my buttons, the lamps will turn on. And when I modify my label tag, it will show on the HMI. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.